Rounding numbers to estimate. This video is produced by Math GPS. Estimation is finding a number that is close to an exact answer. You are not trying to be perfect. What you want is something that is good enough when you are in a hurry. We round numbers to a friendly number when we estimate. What are friendly numbers? They're numbers that end in zeros. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Situation 1. Marcos put 23 gumballs in a jar. If he fills 3 more jars, about how many gumballs will Marcus have in all? Let's think about 23 on a number line. It's between two friendly numbers, 20 and 30. It's closer to 20, so I can say Marcus put about 20 gumballs in his jar. So if we apply that same 20 to the other 3 jars, we can then very quickly count, add, or multiply 4 times 20. And we see that Marcus has about 80 gumballs when the jars are filled. Situation 2. Dump trucks hold 9 cubic yards of cement. About how many cubic yards of cement will 78 dump trucks hold? Let's start by thinking about 9 cubic yards. We can round that to a friendly number. 9 is between 0 and 10. But it's much closer to 10. So we can say about 10 cubic yards of cement are in each dump truck. 78 times 10, we have about 780 cubic yards of cement in the trucks. We could also think about rounding the number of trucks. 78 is between 70 and 80, but it's closer to 80. So we could say there are about 80 trucks. Each one holds 9 cubic yards of cement. 80 times 9 is 720. So the 78 trucks hold about 720 cubic yards of cement. And finally, we might choose to round both. 78 trucks, closest to the friendly number 80. 9 cubic yards of cement, closer to 10. So we could simply say about 80 trucks, about 10 yards of cubic yards of cement. That's about 800 cubic yards of cement. Situation 3. There are 450 students at Ross Elementary School. Each student was given a box of 64 crayons. About how many crayons do the students at Ross Elementary have in all? Well, let's think about the numbers in our situation. We can choose to work with 64. 64 is between the friendly numbers 60 and 70. It is closer to 60, so we can say 450 students, 60 crayons each. That's about 27,000 crayons. We could also choose to round the number of students. This one's a little tricky. 450 is between two friendly numbers, 400 and 500, but it is exactly in the middle. When a number is exactly in the middle of two friendly numbers, we always choose the larger number to round. 500. There are about 500 kids at Ross Elementary School. If we multiply 500 times 64 crayons, that's about 32,000 crayons. But what if we chose to round each of the numbers in the situation? 64 is closer to 60. 450 rounds to 500. We could multiply 60 times 500 very quickly, and we would determine that the kids at Ross Elementary School have about 30,000 crayons. Remember, we're not trying to be perfect. Situation 4. In 2019, the population of Comfort, Texas was 2,363. After the 2020 census, the population may increase by 875 people. What is the estimated population of Comfort, Texas after the census? Two numbers here. If we take 2,363 and place it between friendly numbers 2,000 and 3,000, we can see that it is most closer to 2,000. If we take 875 and place it between the friendly numbers 800 and 900, we can see that it's closer to 900. If we add those together, 2,000 plus 900, we can estimate that the population of Comfort, Texas after the census will be about 2,900 people. Estimation, rounding, they're used when we are in a hurry, when we don't have to be perfect. Teach with meaning. Again, this video is produced by Math GPS. You may download a free file at our website. Have an amazing day. Thank you.